Hello dear students, this is the second video of this week, class 8. And in this week, I am going to discuss the following topics. I will discuss about the protocols which is used to carry out mobile communications. And these are GSM, CDMA, WLL and GPRS. So I will discuss one by one. But let us have a look which we have discussed in the previous class. We have discussed about hypertext transfer protocol and hypertext transfer protocol secure, HTTP and HTTPS in the previous class. We have also discussed about mobile communication protocols, means some of the rules which has been designed, which has been especially prepared for mobile communication system. Okay, and today we will discuss about those things, those protocols which are used in mobile communication. So let us start with GSM. But before starting GSM, I would like to introduce you about mobile communication. Mobile communication protocol use multiplexing to send information. Protocols means some type of rules and it use multiplexing to send information. Multiplexing is a method to combine multiple digital or analog signals into one signal over the data channel. As you can see in this picture, many users can be there and they have to communicate with another station. One station is communicating with another station and there will be a single communication channel. So all the users are on this one is channel number 1, this one is channel number 2 and this one is channel number 3. Okay, so this is the device which is receiving signals from many devices. Okay, and all the signals are inbuilt into one signal. As you can see here, multiplexing is a method to combine multiple digital or analog signals into one signal. So multiple signals is converted into one signal over the data channel. So here at the left side, you can see multiple signals are converted into single signal, or you can say multiple signals are converted into one signal so that it can be transmitted to the another destination. And here MUX is doing that work. That is the multiplexing. Here it is doing the work of multiplexing, and here demultiplexing is going on, means that channel has been received by the other stations and it is again splitted into its original form, and the signal is signal is transmitted to the destination. And how the signals will be identified? According to different frequency. Okay, because all the channels are having different frequency. Now you can see this is the same picture in which all the different signals are converted into single signal, and it is transmitted to other channel. Okay, other destination, it is transmitted to other destination, and again this device demultiplexing is going here, means that single signal is converted into multiple signals according to the frequency, so that they can reach to their destination. Okay, now so first one is coming to GSM. So now I would like to introduce about different protocols which is used in mobile communications. The following protocols used for carrying out mobile communication: GSM, CDMA and WLL and GPRS. So coming to GSM, GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication, and it is the one of the most widely used digital wireless telephony system. So all over the world, this GSM technology is used. The the mobile phone which our mother or father uses, they are using in the some earlier time, they are using these types of base phones like Nokia. So they use GSM technology. Okay, those basic phones, GSM technology is used in those phones, and it was developed in Europe in 1980. GSM was developed in Europe in 1980s. Now it is the international standard in Europe, Australia, Asia, and Africa. Means in these all countries, GSM technology are used much more. Any GSM handset with a SIM, full form of SIM is subscriber identity module. So any GSM handset with a SIM card can be inserted, can be used in any country. A SIM card can be inserted in that GSM technology mobile, and it can be used in any country. Okay. Now, next point, every SIM card has a unique identification number. As you are familiar with the SIM card, that it has a unique identification number, and it has memory to store applications. SIM card has not only unique identification number, it has memory also, so that your mobile numbers can be stored. Okay, it has a processor to carry out its functions and software to send and receive messages. Means it has some types of memory so that it can receive message, it can send message. It has a processor, and it can store mobile numbers. The mobile phones that we use have a SIM given by the service provider such as Airtel, Jio, Vodafone, etc. Now coming to the next one, this is the picture of the GSM technology for mobile. Okay, now coming to the next one, that is CDMA. CDMA stands for Code Division Multiple Access. It was first used by the British military during the World War II, and after the war, its use spread to the civilians. Means this technology was used in World War II, and after the war, its use spread to the civilian areas due to high service quality, because its service is very good. Okay, good quality of voice is there, and there is also uh, it is automatically encrypted, means it is safe. No one can hack your voice, no one can hack your data, and hence this provides high security against signal interception and overhearing. So that's why this was used much more. As you know that REAM technology of Reliance, REAM phone, REAM set of Reliance, it was CDMA, and its voice quality is very good. But now it is not used, it has been banned. As each user in this technology, each user gets the entire spectrum all the times. Voice quality is very high, it is automatically encrypted, and hence provides high security against signal interception and overhearing. Now coming to the next one, this is the difference between CDMA and GSM. In GSM, the wires is not very good, but in CDMA, the voice quality is very good. There is the encryption in your data, means security is high in case of CDMA. So some differences are there. Now coming to WLL. WLL stands for wireless in local loop. As you know that this technology was used earlier in some rural areas. This technology was used in some rural areas. Nowadays it is also used in some places. So in rural areas the signal is very weak. So there is an antenna. There is an antenna which is placed at the top of the house so that it can receive signal from the base station. Okay, so it is a wireless local telephone service that can be provided in homes or offices. The subscriber connect to their local exchange instead of the central exchange wirelessly. Using wireless link eliminates last mile or first mile construction of the network connection, thereby reducing the cost and setup time. So what is the advantage? It can catch the signal without any wired signal. So wireless technology is this. So it is reduces the cost. Second thing, it reduces the setup of time, and data is transferred over very short range. It is more secure than wired networks. Okay. Now, what are the features of WLL? It gives audio service. You can have fax service also, and you can have information service also. Information service means you can have the facility of internet. Now, coming to the configuration of WLL, you can see how the residential areas in some rural areas or in semi-rural areas, you can see these are connected with wireless links to the base station. So one antenna can be fitted on the top of the house or top of the office so that it can catch the signal from base station. Okay. And it can, you can use WLL technology. Okay. For what purpose? For audio service, fax service, and for internet. Now coming to the last one, that is, this is also the picture of GPRS, sorry, WLL, wireless in local loop, how the house edge antenna are connected to the base station. Okay. And how the base station is connected to the local network. This is the local network. It is ultimately connected to the satellite and telephone central office. So in this picture, you can have a architecture of all the things. Now coming to the GPRS. GPRS stands for General Packets Radio Services. It is a packet-based wireless communication technology that charges users based on volume of data they send rather than the time duration. As you make a audio call, so there is a time duration, and um, your money is calculated according to time. But in this GPRS technology, it, your money charged, you are charged according to the volume of data you are using. Okay. There is no duration of time in this technology. What amount of data you have used, the money will be charged, you will be charged according to that volume of data. Okay. So it is a packet based wireless communication technology that charges users based on the volume of data they send rather than the time duration for which they are using the service. Second point, this is possible because GPRS sends data over the network in packets. Now, how the volume of data is calculated? Because whenever you connect the signal, you get the data from the tower, but the data is in packet. Okay. The data, the GPRS sends data over the network in packets, and its output depends on network traffic. If there is a traffic on the network, your internet is slow, it means you are receiving the packet slowly. And if there is no traffic on the network, it means you are getting the packets of data at a fast range. Okay, at a fast speed. So it depends upon the network traffic also. As the traffic increases, service quality may go down due to congestion, and hence it is the logical to charge the users as per data volume transmitted. Okay, according to the data transmitted, you will be charged. Now the last point, GPRS is the mobile communication protocol used by second generation 2G and third generation 3G of mobile telephones. So the GPRS is used in 2G and 3G mobile technology. Okay, mobile telephones. So now we have discussed all the things about GSM, CDMA, WLL and GPRS. You can see the picture of GPRS, the mobile phones or laptop or tablet or what you say modem. They are ultimately connected to the servers. Okay. And how they are connected, which type of signal they are getting? They are getting radio signals from the tower, and the data is in the form of radio signals. They are connected with the tower. They are getting data from the tower. Okay. So, okay, children, we have discussed these things. Okay. And we will discuss about cloud computing in the next class. Okay. Thanks for watching the video, children. Thanks. Thank you very much.